Hi, I'm Helena from PamPam, and I'm going to show you how to create your own store locator using PamPam. So PamPam is an online tool to make and share maps. So here we go. So you're going to go to pampam.city/templates and then find the store locator. I'm going to link to it at the bottom here as well. There you can see the preview of the store locator, and you can just go ahead and click Start with this map. From here, you're going to have to copy the map so that you're just going to make your own version of it. And then from there, you're going to be able to totally customize it. You might have to sign in at this point, but I'm already signed in, so that's all done. Cool. Now you're going to know that you have your own copy because it's going to say copy of store locator. So, here you can just start editing it. So let me give you a quick tour of what you need to know in order to edit it. First of all, you need to make sure that you're in edit mode. So you can be in edit mode or in view mode. So make sure you're in edit mode. Clicking this picture will allow you to change the cover photo here. You can also add your own custom fields and of course make a copy of this map as well. You can edit your description. And the way that you use PamPam is that you add spots to it and then you can organize them into different sections. So this is one section here and then this is another section here. To delete these sections, just click here and then click delete section. To add to the sections, you can just click add and then search by name or address. And this, you'll just start searching by name or an address. So I can say like, El Chingo in Philadelphia, that's a taco place here, and I can add that in. If you have something like a store locator, you may already have your addresses in something like a spreadsheet or a text file, in which case you can also try adding places this way. You can import from clipboard, so paste a list of places from a piece of text or maybe even a table. First, you'll want to add kind of the general location. So it might be like the United States, it might be a specific area like Philadelphia, and then paste it in. The other thing you can do is import from Airtable. So if you have it in a spreadsheet, then put it in Airtable and then you can map it here. We have a whole other tutorial on how to do that, and we're also going to have new ways of importing from Google Sheets as well, so look out for that if that's how you have your data. So the idea is that you can add your own places here. Of course, we have these places here. You can just remove these one by one, or you can click add and then search for removal spots. This will remove everything from here. And then you can just add your own. Like I said, either through adding them one by one, through the clipboard, which is just pasting in your text, or through Airtable. You can also add spots directly to the map, draw on the map, add photos, and you can change the theme so that it better matches your brand. From here, you can go ahead and just share out this link. People don't need to be logged into PamPam in order to see the map. It's just its own website, essentially. But what you can also do is embed it. So if you have your own website and you want to add the store locator to your website, then just copy this code and then put it on your website. If you have a website where you can't embed something, what you can also do is take a screenshot of the map and then link to the map. All right, well, if you have any questions, definitely check out some of the other YouTube videos that have more tutorials, or just send me an email. Thanks.